Hey guys, it's Cassie and welcome to our office tour. Our office is actually based out of WeWork, so before we get started into our actual office, private office tour, we decided that we wanted to take you around WeWork first.
Welcome to WeWork.
Oh, nice to meet you. I'm Cassie.
I'm Ricci. Don't forget to sign in.
Okay.
And feel free to get some merch.
You know what? I need a sticker. I'm gonna get a sticker. You guys didn't already know, WeWork actually has little spots for rest and entertainment. If you want to take breaks, we have some puzzles over here. Foosball table. This just got put in today, so I'm like really excited about it. We have the kitchen, fridge, microwave. We have our communal milk.
And if you're feeling a little hungry and you need to grab a snack, this place is called the Honesty Market. All you have to do is sign up on the app on your phone and scan it over here.
So this is where I like to have my lunch, you know, or you can have like little meetings here. We got some books, but if you guys don't want to work here, you can also work at the many chairs they have in the common area. Over here we have the telephone booths. Oh my gosh, hey, like who's that? Hi. This is a great place to hold conference calls, talk on the phone, nap. Not really supposed to do that. Can you hear me? Hi. It's muffled, as you can see. Plentiful telephone booths available for use. There's actually someone else in there that I don't know, but let's go into our actual office. Welcome to our private little office. So we have my desk over here. This is the little setup that we decided on. You guys know I'm extra, right? And you guys know that I like to be prepared. This is my Cassie's extra and prepared drawer. So I have literally everything I need just in case I need it. If I feel like putting on makeup, I have extra makeup. I have my car keys, a hairbrush, earphones. I have some feminine products, makeup wipes in case I don't want to wear makeup anymore, sunglasses in case it's too sunny out. And then in the second drawer, I have Polaroid. I have my notebook. This is my to-do notebook. I write down I decked it out in WeWork stickers. Write a bunch of things I need to do that day. I have a lock for the gym. I have some tape for the Polaroid wall, which I'll show you in a bit. And then let's move over to Ricci's side.
Yeah, so this is my desk, but this is not my laptop. Because if you know me, I'm never prepared. But this corner is just where all my trinkets are. My notepad, I always jot down things when it's in my head because I'm very forgetful. And I have notebooks here that has all of the ToThe9s stuff that we need to follow up on, and my lip balm, my boyfriend's card. Over here I have my ToThe9s calendar, everything that we have to do in a month. I made a mistake already.
You blacked it out.
I blacked it out, but it looks good. This is where the receipts are supposed to go. Some tissue if I spill something, because I spilled something today. And then the second drawer, I got the feminine products. As you can see, Cassie's very organized, and I'm on some deodorant. Extra hoops, which came in very handy because I totally forgot hoops. And lotion, of course. Extra contact lens cases. And over here is just miscellaneous stuff. We got a screwdriver. We have a film camera in here just in case, I don't know, we have tons of film cameras. Our Vitruvi keeps us sane Just kidding, what?
We have a lot of things on this shelf. If you guys saw our move-in vlog, Ricci and I had a little bit of like a contention. We weren't sure if we were gonna stick with black furniture or white furniture, but Ricci obviously won. We went with black, and honestly, it looked so much better.
Where most of our stuff goes, Cassie's gym stuff, her shoes, her
Protein
powder, her sports bra. I just have a bunch of like stuff in here. Like I have some clothes that I want to shoot. And then we have these boxes here to hide some PR stuff. Magazines. We love collecting magazines from LA, from wherever we travel.
We obviously have a lot of little trinkets on our shelves. If you guys want to see our office decor haul to know where everything is from, check that out as well. We have our little Herschel bear brick, as well as the Herschel candle. And then down here we have the big guy. We have the big boy.
The dad.
The dad.
Daddy.
The dad. Okay. This was Ricci's special project.
Yeah, it was very fun putting it all together. All the colors here just, it looks really nice. Even coming in through like, you know, walking down the hallways, you see it and you're like, okay. Yeah, this is our rack. We're gonna be filling it up with clothes. But yeah, in case you wanna shoot around WeWork, we have a lot of places that we can shoot in, like the couches, good sunlight. I brought this from home and it fits perfectly. It just adds a nice touch to the whole office. Cassie actually found this. Where did you find this? Like along the street?
Yeah, like 2 blocks down from my house. I drove by it.
We have a coffee table, which Cassie put this furry little thing. And then we just have an ID magazine, a film camera. Oh! Do you want to talk about this?
So this is our little Polaroid wall. We decided that we wanted to take photos of every single person that visits the office. So far we have 13 people that have visited.
And that is all for a WeWork and office tour. We hope you guys enjoyed this video and we hope you guys got inspiration from the way we set things up in their office.
Yeah, so a little bit about what WeWork is. So WeWork is a space for freelancers, entrepreneurs, everyone and anyone that needs a space. And if you guys are interested in learning about more, I'm gonna put links down below. And if you guys live in Vancouver, we actually have a promotional coupon for a free week trial at this location. So if you want to work with us, if you want to hang out, work in the communal area that we just toured you around, you're free to do so. Just click the link down below.
And don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platforms
At Cassie Massenkai,
at Ricci Pamantuan,
and at ToThe9s.
Don't forget to hashtag ToThe9s to be featured.
And also check out WeWork social. So at WeWork on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Welcome to WeWork.
What is WeWork?
What? Well, it's a co-working space, and you would have. Why would you ask me that right now? You didn't even like prepare me. I thought that's what you were talking about outside. What the heck? All I had to do was direct you.